Hello, I'm Gabriele Chiave and welcome today to Audi House of Progress in the Portrait Hotel in Milano. This installation is called Domino Act. It's represented by 22 monoliths placed in a circle that surrounds the new Audi Skysphere concept car. The whole idea came from the domino effect, which is a dogma at the United Nations that says that all problems linked to sustainability, so all the resources, the pollution, everything, the energy are all interconnected one another. So if one goes wrong, everything else goes wrong. We turn it into the Domino Act, which is a positive action of saying if all of us does a little action, that little action could provoke a large effect on sustainability. We thought the monolith is an amazing symbol of progress. It's also a symbol of connectivity, because in this square, during the day, it dialogues with the architecture, but also people are just seeing themselves and seeing others. So it's a connection of architecture, people, the nature around us, the sun, the light. And at night, the installation takes life, and there's going to be a light show that will animate the square. What I would like the people to feel when they experience installation is excitement, is awareness, is surprise, and is commitment to what we need to do today.